Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make your iPhone say the name of the person calling. Here are the steps to make your iPhone say the name of the person calling. First is to unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll to the bottom to find Apps and tap on it. Scroll down and tap Phone. Tap Announce Calls. Here, you'll see several options, like always, headphones and car, headphones only, and never. Tap always to have your iPhone announce calls at all times. Tap headphones and car to announce calls only when connected to headphones or car Bluetooth system. Tap headphones only to announce calls only when headphones are in use. Tap Never to disable call announcements completely. Select the option that fits your preference. For hearing names, always is recommended. On your control center, make sure your ringer and media volume are turned up so the announcement can be heard. Ensure that the caller's number is saved in your contacts with name, otherwise, the iPhone will announce the number instead. If using AirPods or Bluetooth headphones, make sure they are connected properly. Test the feature by having someone call your iPhone, and your iPhone can definitely now announce the caller's name or number if not saved whenever you receive a call. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.